You probably clicked on this video because you want to start making money with reselling in 2026. Well, I don't gatekeep, and I'm going to show you the exact method. As you can see, I did £845,000 in sales in the last 12 months. I've been doing this for years now, and we're generating 7 figures every single year with this business. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So what I do to make all this money is called reselling. I basically buy products like these Canada Goose jackets. There's different models of them. You've got Wyndham's, Macmillan jackets. There's a load of variations of them. I also get my hands on things like these Louis Vuitton trainers, these Dior B22s, these Chrome Hearts hats, Nike X Travis Scotts. There's loads of different pieces, accessories, trainers, jackets, you name it. You might be wondering, well, how do you make money on all of these items? And the reason I do is because I buy them so cheap. I can get products like this Canada Goose Wyndham jacket, that's a black label. This is discontinued now. I'm paying brand new anywhere between £600 to £800 and reselling it for around £1,200. Or just like these Dior B22s, I'm picking these up brand new for anywhere between £600 to £800 and reselling them for £1,000. Another brand we've been making insane profits on is this Go Yard Belvedere bag. We bought it in for £1,600, resold it for £2,400. We've then got the Go Yard Boston size 45 in blue. We bought this in for £2,500, resold it for £3,500. We've then got the beige one too, bought it in for £2,600. The straps inside, resold it for £3,600. You might be thinking, how do I get access to these luxury designer brands, these items that aren't available in the store anymore, whilst still being able to resell them for a profit? Now, how I get these products is through something called a supplier. And they're basically the people that can get you access to these products for a cheaper price to resell them to make a profit. Now, I've been building these relationships in this industry for over 6 years now, and I promise you it's so difficult to find these suppliers, especially a good one. Now, in the description of this video, I'm going to give away the same supplier that I've used to generate over 7 figures in the last few years in sales, so that you can actually get started with it today. I don't gatekeep, and that's what I promised. Okay, so now you have a basic understanding of how reselling works. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to get started right now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and choose a product that you want to start with. If you don't have much money to start with, I'd recommend starting off with lower ticket items like these Nike sets. You can pick them up for around £20 and resell them for £40. Easy profits. If you do have a lot more money to start with, I'd recommend getting into higher ticket designer pieces. They have much more higher profit margins and they're not as saturated, especially Canada Goose jackets and Moncler jackets. So once you've decided on the products that you want to start with and you've ordered your stock, once your items arrive, what I want you to do is go and list them on the following platforms. You want to use Instagram, Depop, Vesitaire, Grailed, Vinted, eBay, Facebook Marketplace. And what we actually give away too is a full content vault with all of the images of the items, so that you guys can use these to be able to start pushing the items that are available from the suppliers straight through into these marketplaces. So what you guys want to do is go down to the description of the video, and you're going to want to click the link in the description so that you can actually then get access to all of these images of the products. Once you've got all of the images of the items and you've ordered your first few pieces, you can then list them on the following platforms. You've got Instagram, Depop, Vesitaire, Grailed, eBay, Facebook Marketplace. The more you list across these platforms, the more offers you'll get and the more items you'll sell quicker. So as you can see, in the last 30 days, I've got £67,000 worth of orders. I click on orders there, scroll down, as you can see, delivered. All of these items are going out to my customers every single day. And this is just on one platform. This isn't without Vinted, Vesitaire. This is just strictly on eBay. So once you've made the listing on the platform that I recommended, all you're gonna do is just wait for the offers to come in on the stock that you ordered, whether it's the low ticket items like the activewear, or whether it's the Canada Goose jackets and the higher ticket pieces that we spoke about earlier on in the video. Once you've got an offer from the customer, you're gonna speak to them, talk to them, negotiate if you need to, and then all you have to do is just package and deliver the product. Once you sell your first products, all you have to do is take the profits and reinvest it back into stock. We've got a load of new arrivals in this bag that we're processing through at the moment, but what you can do is pretty much double your investment every single time from buying and selling the pieces. So when you get that first order, you can then use the profits from the product and buy 2 to 3 more items with the money you made, and then you can keep compounding it. The 2 to 3 that you then bought, you sell them and you buy 4 to 5 more. It's just a compounding game. And then all you've got to do is pretty much just reinvest your cash into stock. It's just literally doubling profits each time. Then when you feel comfortable, you can start scaling up, guys. You can start buying more stock, building your inventory. Look at all this. This is what it looks like when you scale the business. Racks full of designer pieces, luxury goods, everything all ready to sell. This is the method that everyone teaches: buy stock, hold inventory, sell it. But here's what nobody tells you about this model. I just robbed your time in the showroom to show you what reselling is actually about. Because this is the old method, it's dead. And here's what nobody tells you about holding physical stock. First, you need thousands of pounds up front just to get started. You're buying 5, 10,000, even 50,000 pounds worth of inventory before you even make a single sale. Secondly, your money's tied up. Say you invest 5,000 pounds into stock with a potential 40 to 50% profit margin. Yeah, you're making 2,000 pound profit on paper, but it's gonna take you at least a month just to break even on that 5,000 pounds. Then you need to sell even more stock to actually see that 2,000 pounds profit. Your capital is just cycling. You're not compounding, you're not growing, you're just constantly reinvesting to keep the wheel spinning. You have no guarantee that items are gonna sell. Some of these items are seasonal. I mean, look at all these Canada Goose jackets. We can only sell these in the winter. Designer pieces go in and out of trend. You could be sitting on 50,000 pounds worth of stock that doesn't move. And now you're trying to liquidate your stock just to get your money back out of the deal. Everyone talks about compound growth with this model. Just keep reinvesting, keep scaling. But in reality, yes, it works, but that's assuming you sell all of your stock, every single item, and you sell it for 20% for more than what you bought it for. This is your markup. This graph on the screen is a perfect representation of that exact thing. Month 1, you're down 5K. Month 2, you've made 2K back. Still 3K down. Month 3, you broke even. Month 4, you're finally seeing profit, but that profit, you're reinvesting it back into more stock. It's a hamster wheel that works if you have the perfect conditions, and even then it takes longer to make it work. And again, that's only if you have the clients to sell the items to. There's no guarantee of selling any of the products. This is the old method of reselling. We would never work like this. We would never invest money into stock like this anymore. There's a completely different way to do this. A way where you don't need to invest thousands of pounds up front. A way where you don't hold any inventory. A way where your clients tell you what they want first, and then you source it in for them. Zero risk, high margins, fully scalable. So if you want to learn exactly how that method works, how to actually start making money without holding any stock, without any upfront capital, how to scale to consistent monthly income, I've got a full breakdown video that shows you the entire system step by step. That video is linked in the description below. Go and watch that next. You can also book a call with myself and the team just to find out more about our suppliers and how you can get started today. Make sure to subscribe and like the video too. That's all from me for now, and peace out.